Ubwansu bw'omuguzi. Omwancho muligereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nechinga gichinde chingia na ende tokumira na gaiga ase television ya unambeye mo yomuntu wabwikegusi ya Ndizi TV nigontete koira chinga kiechi gukwaligania buya kigima elio etunyale konyora mangana maya senchira yobwikiranu ekorwa Ndizi TV nyoranga abasaki baito nigo bachire chinsemo au imeyoro gonkorwa gusi na gukwaligania mangana maya senchira yobwikiranu kigima bono nigontete kwira liba geri gukwarigania kigima inyoranga nabo gotonyora se mitandao yitu ya Facebook na YouTube buna Ndizi TV News elio bono tunyare gokumanya nabo igogotebyo musani no musani uyu neratebyo musani onde elio bono bonyare kumanya igoro ya Ndizi TV nabo igokwimanyia ya ndamange alitoko batokobeka ase mitandao yitu yonsi bono litukulia rero bunere butambe nilitukulia Jumamosi Ijinejingaki kartua kora mangana maya na inde togo so somurobiri obweke umbo nomurobiri na mbeye mokigima umurobiri to kwanira igoro ya mangana siasa animono chingaki ekitoligere tyo bachori obonene bono nigo tuwe aliganiti kigima litukulia rero nigo mubwate Eric Abuga oyole umurwaniriye bwekero kyobo bunge kurwase constituency yegaga Singsarancity ya Kitutu Chache South bono nigaru umurwaniriye kurwase kiama kia ODM Tonyara kogendande kiagera mangana maya ngo chare asegekegeke kerebusyo. Buya kigima omwancho murigereria sokoira wano chinga kichao eliko yanyora mangana maya senchira yobwikiranu ekoruga iga Ndizi TV inche nigonkuru kwa John Kebati. Uchaka mangana maya bono nigo togochaka bunaba menyi kurwa sensemo ya Nyataro imeye wadi ya Kisii Central nigo bagendrete ko yemochi company yechinguru cyumuriro ya Kenya Power asikiri bagateba buna nigo baombiwe kuri mwaka bwekiri gwibere ne 20 noyomo omutinyo December ekerestima yaborete nsemeyo naboigo emerobiri yonsi yeri bobente gukora gutumika estima nigete nene nahigo tibariko nyora ngere yabo yakira lituko omusaki itobo mangana maya Vincent Onyanja niga twariganiriyo report yoruo asenchera yobwikiranu
estima ya tumisir kurumuti enyo December paka bono iga
itogwaka estima wona sinji togwaka estima itogo demanding estima ero siku egerkero monto konyeke
mochando tubwate buka estima unoyo minta resre gaiga
Abuo ngati yabamenyi kurwa nsemo ya Nyataro egwodi ya Kisii Central imeye county ya Kisii aube murunganiryo kubora wechinguru cyomuriro asensemeyo nigo chinga kecyo bamukire company ya Kenya Power KPLC asogote mukige tambukiro kende gyonsi na nigo babera segesunte kirime kuru mutinyo 12 mwaka eta oikabono.
Nobody seems to us. We don't know why. A transformer ya yali tukachandeka which was not our mistake. A transformer kuye echake colleague. Ekere colleague totome communication ngaki inchua muri transformer yengu ansele colleague. You know they did not come until ekere ya bastiri. Bako manya gwacha banza kutobe kere blame.
Nigo estimeyo yaborete maiga yamage kuryo mote westima sensemeyo chiwaya gosuguna no moto yokorokana kogwa echiboy gochi ya kunete chichuma asetangia machi yabekereye egentokera kogoserio konene gocha saba menyi bensemeyo
estimeye umoto gachokawa ukawera chitangi chumonge na judi bono no ubwerete chitangi echi ochilosri metallic bono we have fear Nechigwa yechio chile life. We have fear nga amachaja isego overflow kurwetangiye atiri mbokochi mata abana mbara abantuntura. There will be a lot of casualties.
Na nene mono a fault igere because of etching yo moto gaiga maega nonya ino moligererie
nigo batemere goikastia bische company ya Kenya Power kurende mbaranyora bakonyi bonde bwensi nigo bari bagutumia stima so goikerani oboncheri bwabo batebire uno oboncheri bwabo bairanire inse asekerengo keigoro
anto igo basinyire gukora biashara igaiga sababu yo bolemeru bwestimeye
nanje tinga yana elimete mate gari na chira asara bona ngo sabanga stimero sibonya mbali korosi kwandamana tole
Kenya Power Kisii igere few kilometers from Nyataro lakini mbako nyako meka ni vodi bacha gotokonya batobekere stima igoto chandegete tubwata abane ruza bagosoma
nigo chinga kecha wamenyi kurwa senseme ya Nyataro gotoka se wodi ya Kisii Central imeye county ya Kisii waganibone company ya Kenya Power KPLC koimukige tambukiro na kobekere stima senseme ye eyu yabereke bolito kurwa somutinyo 12 goika omutinyega ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurensemo ya Nyataro gotoka imeye Kisii Central county ya Kisii bunge nya bali chache ireterane nkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha
wiyamono kegima Vincent Onyancha soroboti orwa abakuri emirimo insejeri aburi ya Kenya Youth Employment and Opportunity Project nigo bagosereirie guche kogenda omugiro bw'emirimo onyeti bari gucha igwakano kibese cyabo ikorwa sekiombe kyo roboti orwa asinkira yubekirano
Monday, we are suspending the ongoing training so that until we are paid full due. Is it? As from Monday, kindly we suspend ongoing training.
Siku ya leo tumekuwa tukingoja pesa zetu kutoka KOP, tumefanya cycle 4, 5, 6 na hatujalipo hiyo pesa, hatujaona. So watu wetu tumesumbuka, tulikuwa tunaomba serikali itusaidie tupata haki yetu.
Hii muradi ilianza ilikuwa ya World Bank. Ilianza vizuri tukapewa wanafunzi kuanzia cycle 4. Cycle 4 tulimalizana nao vizuri, walitulipa madeni wakamaliza. Lakini shida iko kuanzia cycle 5. Wanatulipa miezi 2, 3 ingine wanaacha sio hiyo pesa iko kwa mfuko wa nani. Sijui tukienda kuanzia cycle 5 tukakuja cycle 6. Pia wakatulipa miezi 2 alafu hizo pesa zingine atujui siko kwa mfuko wa nani na kazi tunafanya atujui kama ni World Bank chai toa hiyo pesa ipeke hiyo watulipe mshahara ama ni nini. Saa hii juzi serikali imesoma budget na kwa upande wa sekta ya youth employment kuna pesa ililipwa 2.2 million. Hiyo inaingia mfuko
katika sub county ya Marani. Tumehangaika kutoka cycle 4. Tulianza cycle 4 vizuri, Neita ilikuwa inatulipa vizuri. Wakati tuliingia kwa side ya KOP ikiingia 100. Tumekuwa tukilipwa pesa kama dawa. Jamii ni serikali tuhurumie. Sikia haki yetu, kilio chetu tusikie.
Omu waziri w'oburendi bwaime Muske Fred Matiang'i nigarure gikurure gitindi gocha sabagambi nabo na bakonyi babo sekirya yotebekana buna niko babeire bakutuberera ebina by'abana bakunelwa ase binyoro byabo roboti oruru nyola sinkira yobikirano.
Chiefs and assistant chiefs who tolerate those kangaroo codes after children have been raped in the name of some cultures, and that time a young girl has been raped, probably infected. You are exchanging the life of a child with a camel. What kind of people are we? We are not going to tolerate that. I'm happy. My colleagues, county commissioners who work in some of these areas, you know we have dismissed chiefs before we have tolerated this. Wafula, we must dismiss more.
Kubwatikana no buchorio bonene ikogendera guikange kigima anigo abaraibeji kanisa bagendrete gusege tomulembe echinse muchonsi imeyense ya Kenya.
Naomba watu wa Kenya, vijana wale wanaotumika vibaya na wanasiasa, mfikirie tena na tena. Na ni vibaya sana kuona wakati huu wa nomination vile mambo ya kisiasa yameanza kabla ya uchaguzi mkuu. Kwa sababu tulishuhudia wiki hii mtu mmoja ambaye alimiminiwa risasi. Ati kisingizio ni kwamba ako katika chama fulani cha kisiasa. Hiyo ni jambo mbaya, na hawa watu wanarudisha nchi yetu nyuma. Hatuwezi kukubali siasa za aina hiyo, za mauaji, za ugomvi. Siasa siwe ni mashindano tu, na iwe ni kama soka. Watu wakimaliza, ikiisha kibega ya mwisho, watu wanakumbatiana, wanafurahia na wanasalimiana, halafu wanakuwa marafiki. Lakini sisi tunaona uadui. Wakati huu tunaomba wakati wa nomination wa set pace, yule atashindwa akubali.
Igotigana na roboti oruo abarai kurwa se county ya Naroko bakora wanu mubunge kurwa semo ya Kilgoris Gideon Gonchela nigo baburirie bisa kubiri bimenyete me county ya Naroko ogendere kurario murembe chinga kichi tuligeretio bochorio bonene roboti oruo asinchire yubikirano
kupitia wazee ambao jamii wameteua kuunganisha jamii zote za Masai katika Narok, wapite njia moja, waseme neno pamoja, wakijua kwamba wanataka kuchunga nchi yao, wanataka kubariki watoto yao, wanataka watoto wasome, wanataka watoto wawe madaktari, wanataka watoto wawe viongozi wa kesho. Kila mtu tumekaribisha kama jamii. Sisi ni watu wakarimu, kuja fanya biashara yako, kuja jenga magorofa na nini, kwa maana jamii ya Masai hawatakuguza hata siku moja.
Chenye tunasema kama vijana kwa hii wakati wa ukora, tunaambia vijana wetu msitumike kwa wanasiasa, na ingine tunasema kwa mikutano mtakayo kutikana ama kuingia, muingie na mfanye chenye nimewalete, lakini msiingie kwa siasa sana, msitumike.
Abarai kurwa se county ya Mombasa na boigo bali bakuligi birogo binde binge kurwa se county yo nigo bakiborire kiama kia ODM otigo bwesonania ko bachorera abarai akero baisaraste asichia bisi ne ko batika burugoka abanyene bagendere gwechorera abarai anemono chinga kichi echo bachorio boke go nomination chigenderete imeyense ya Kenya.
Okay, mwanzo tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa hizi elections zinaenda sawa sawa, na pia nataka kuwapongeza aspirants wa Tononoka, Talal na Ali Sharif kwa wamefanya mapambano hapa bila vurugu, bila fujo, na tunaona hapa kwa elections Mombasa, nominations Mombasa nzima zinaendelea, na kweli kuna areas nyingine ambayo kuna technical hitches na kuna areas nyingine kuna vurugu kidogo, lakini by and large hii nomination inaenda uzuri, na sioni sababu kwa nini hatuwezi kufanya nomination kwa rank za governor na senator ili tupatie wananchi nafasi ya kuchagua viongozi wa wenyewe. Na mimi nachukua nafasi hii kuomba Wakenya wote wajitokeze kwa nguvu kupiga kura kwenye hizi kura za mchujo za ODM. Tuoneshe kwa baba na wafuasi kwa ODM iko na nguvu, na kwa sisi kama chama tunaweza kufanya uchaguzi bila fujo, bila vurugu. I think this is the way forward. We do not believe that nominations should be done by selection in boardrooms based on opinion polls that nobody can verify or validate. Let the people decide. I keep on insisting that it is Wanjiku and Maria and Onyango and Ocheng and Charo and Hamisi who should decide who their leaders are. Not some opinion polls being done by people and people sitting in Nairobi in boardrooms. The people must decide. Now ultimately, Sisi, we are all soldiers for Baba. We are all campaigning to make sure he becomes the 5th president. So it is important that every ODM member comes out to vote. Okay? And we will follow the directions that Baba gives us.
Ekiama gia DP gikurawa nomonogeri ebo bunkenene musiki Justin Muturi ritukuria lero nigo gia sobomo bwa Kenya Kwanza chinga kicho kumwaligania Justin Muturi asobomo bwo omukonyi bo muraiwe nsena bwo muraiwe kiama kia UDA omusiki William Ruto nigegerira iri bagelio na komobolia muturi kubwatana na barobwo ikiagire birenga byabo byekiama gya DP na bigo biria vya Ford Kenya na Amani National Congress byonsi nigo bibwate ekirenga ekemo roboti orwa senchira yobikiranu.
We believe as Kenya Kwanza, joined by the Democratic Party this morning, that the most potent conversation in Kenya is a conversation around the economy, the conversation about ordinary people, the conversation about the businesses of ordinary people, the conversation about our agriculture, the conversation around our businesses, our SMEs, the conversation around universal health coverage. And that is what brings the Democratic Party and the Kenya Kwanza fraternity.
We are committed to this journey. Na ni lazima, ukizungumza Kiswahili, Kizungu, mwishowe tutapiga kura. Na lazima hizo kura lazima tutazilinda. Liwalo linaliwe. Our agents, you cannot call agents, you are political agents. I can see a few candidates who are here. You will have agents, Mheshimiwa Gachagua. When you talk to them, when they go to the polling station, lazima walinde ile kura zako, lazima walinde.
Omubunge bw'ensemo ya Garissa Town Musike Adendwale niga muchirie budget ebiya bagegosomwa nomu waziri ebwekigancha gya serikali omusike Ukuru Yatani asatebire buna budget yoti yaikiranetie ebirenko birya biganirie nigatebire buna guchakira litukule Jumanne nigo baguche guchaka konyelinkorie budget yo naboigo koboria jikamiti ao echiebunge koegwalibaga yokonye unenkia boikirano.
Very kind to you. Even when we form government, the first 18 months, if we don't fix this economy, Your Excellency, you and our team, Kenya will go the Greece way. A Minister of Finance, without taking the due process of parliamentary process and committees, the budget-making process, was telling the country, I propose this, I allocate this. There is nothing he has proposed. There is nothing he has allocated. From Tuesday, the Speaker will refer those estimates to departmental committees, to the budget committee. We will reallocate what you have allocated. We will change what you have proposed. And you are just cheating the people of Kenya. The budget is not yet done until Parliament approves.
Abarai ao bari bakuriye birogo kurwase county ya Laikipia gweterekia magia Jubilee nigo batebire bune kiamekyo nigo gendete koire milimo no kigima asorogonkoruo nago ikachinga ki obochuri obonene bocho korekana nigo eratukimna ekiachire chinsemo chinyinge imeyense meyo.
Unaweza kudhania kwamba ofisi ya chama iko Nairobi. La. Ofisi ya chama iko mahali kuna wafuasi wake. Na Kithiga Ward, Kinamba Town. Hapa tuko na ofisi kwa sababu wafuasi wa chama cha Jubilee ndio wengi kuliko wa chama hizo zingine. Na kwa hivyo sisi tutachukua nafasi hii kuendelea kuona kwamba the candidates ambao wako kwa Jubilee wao ndio tutakubali tufanye kazi na wao sababu wananchi ndio hawa wanaamini.
The number office in Kithiga Ward, Laikipia West constituency of Laikipia County. We are here today, all of us aspirants, from the ward level to parliament, parliamentary seats to governor. We are all in Jubilee. Those who are doubting that Jubilee is not active in Laikipia, wait and see. This is just getting started.
Bona bono mwanchomo ligiriria nigo bona toso ensemo yechigosoli ase togote bigubuna abagosoli kurwa urugonkoro gusi nigo banyolira maigirio elio wetanga kurwa sogotumika amaliogo yo komenta chinguru ekeroba kora chigosoli nabo igo amaliogo yo gotindia omosaki ito kurwa ensemo yechigosoli Steven Demo niga twaliganirio roboti rokubwatia senjira yo wikiranu.
Buna matukago sukane biro bekinga kigonchoreria nigo bwamereri bwekigosoli bogendrete komenta eju nige kwerera chirombe au chie chigosoli na abagosoli enga kiende gutumika malio gakandiro komenta chinguru oboremereria ase chigosoli ogotaro sasa mameranio amono gotaigu bororo.
tumekuwa nayo for this long. Kuna mali hata inaweza itisha documents zako.
Eye nigo yairire kiombe kia Anti-Doping Agency of Kenya ADAK guchaketa Rwasichi County iligo ikelia babwatani bechi gosoli na kubasemi.
We advise our athletes, tafadhali don't self-medicate.
Wiki ye nigo babeire ime Kisii County ase vaikereire chimicha babwatani bechi gosoli ao.
And we are going around the county and even the country creating awareness on the fight against doping in sport, providing an education session for them whereby we are targeting to build their competence on issues related to the fight against doping in sport.
Obo tumekibwa maliogo yo komenta chingurugo se doping niko kanire ne byombe binge bya chigosoli gati yabo Athletics Kenya, FIFA ne kamati yense ya Olympics.
Yes, the code requires that all athletes and all athlete support personnel that they know and comply with all anti-doping policies and rules. So it is their responsibility to know and comply with all anti-doping rules and policies as required by the code.
Bali bagotoka na mocha ya adoping niko bagocha bairirwe bitambo kero byeli chiko ibo biramo na kurusi gwa sama meranio gokani gugweso ya sama meranio aliganiri ne byombe biri bikonyoro mogosoli na mamocha yu gatiye bitambo kero binde binge.
We also do carry out outreach programs whereby we go around during sporting events and organize an outreach program where we set up a tent and participants are free to come in and get the information.
Ekiombe kia ADAK niko bono gia sabira bagosoli gutatumeka malio gakanire na koene kibuna bagosoli bakubwatia machikeli go ikase birengo bya igoro.
The code requires that all athletes and all athlete support personnel that they know and comply with all anti-doping policies and rules. So therefore, the urge is for athletes and athlete support personnel to build their capacity, to keep on asking for anti-doping education, to keep on attending such kind of workshops whereby they can build their capacity on matters related to anti-doping.
Magiga yogo kora amorokereri abase county ya Kisii nigo baratale chinse mochinde asekerenga kyogo ikeria baorokia abagosoli na ababwatania bangi ilego keyiri mochoria doping imeye chigosoli. Kuripoti ligetaseni kia Ndizi TV elietaliane Ndemo Steven.
Chinga gecho abaorokia benko yogo se bari bamanyikana buna chikoach na brobundi go basemanirie gucho asibyombe ao byokwegeria enkoyo eligokinie birengo byogosuri yenkoyo asorgonko rwagusi roboti orwo asenkire yobikirano
na rochimbia bisaransi chiko chons rose association yito tuzi tuwakonya ngakiama be none ngakiama
etuachagete tuarochenga omopiro gusi lazima tochamo so that nyeto tutayete gusuka busio tochamo na kitwa ikaranserete tugakorobo chori bagatochora muna bateneneri babo tutayete chikochi chinyinge tutayete abantu babe train because omopira turi gochakera igorari omopira ogochakera nsa mashinani grassroots so tutayete chikochi chinyinge tutayete chikosi echichiche boira gusi a challenge area ro ne ria nkenganga ki squeeze you ogo facilitate mogo facilitate inumweka mwarangere chi instructor mo organize ne mo bange mepangilio ne branch amo ne federation korugorogari batutumira chi instructor abantu bamanya korugo bakore chikosi echo kafd na bego korugaiga kafd monto to kwenda Nairobi gokora kafsi nere ko nyore bwate challenge yake andere ndege kugera na boko mo konyora mo atumiru Kisumu osemo atumiru Nairobi because kafsi ekinege to kia kaf tari kia national tari kia FKF.
Really regarding this stadium is our best field that we have in the county, but the management here, county government, are taking a lot of time to build that field. For instance, timetea Kusi FC na Shabana wakere mpira ya weta nigabo kocha sub counter kere TV toko itimite chandeta mono na wana sampona ra Shabana bago trainer ya saru sameta na wana busiengima bitimbiyo paka baya naralie sameta
tutagete chikochi chionsi chia Kusi joine association ya ito ekiagera nere ko make sure nga grassroots gali chikochi chianyore platform yoko chakoba trained koba chikochi bari approved by FIFA na CAF.
kumanyigwa buna timu yenkoyo ya Ichuni nigegochia kogosoria bwankyo timu ya Small Simpa asensemo ya Maro yigotoka imeye constituency ya South Mogirango kimina nikyo nigokera se league ya Nyanza Regional League ayo nkorengana nomo coach obo Isaac Ochiche
bona iga Ichuni combined nige otori namba ibere tukisa twaka jagite league ya ndora itwa na nde buna Jumapili to bwade Small Simba Dokumenti ko sensi Small Simba to chikomera because Small Simba to buna bero ketaba nyenga te Small Simba they should be small always. Iko na ndio mnatoka kwenda